Hi, I'm Marius, and the next configuration step for the safeVisionary2 is to create the 3D protective fields in the Safety Designer.
To create and edit the 3D protective fields, we go to the Fields and Region of Interest tab. You can add fields and field sets on the right-hand side of the window. Per default, there's already a field set with one protective field, and we just have to add the field shape to the 3D editor. The Safety Designer gives us the option to choose the orientation of the added cuboid, aligned to the ground or in line of the camera. In our case, we select the Align to the Ground option and add a cuboid, which we can now configure to our needs. As we can see, the cuboid has 3 different tools for each of the axes. The arrow on top can be used to drag the cuboid around. The middle tool rotates the cube. The tool close to the center is to change the dimensions of the cube. Alternatively, you can also use numeric values here. Keep in mind that a cuboid has to be at least 300 mm wide in each dimension. Then we can add another cuboid to the same protective field and configure it in the same way. All we have to do now is assign the protective field to a monitoring case and transfer the configuration.
And just like that, we have configured the protective fields of the safeVisionary2. Thanks a lot for watching.